For training new age pilots, it's specifically important that we can keep up with the developments. That means we have to teach the younger generation with new technologies. It'll be a lot more interactive with the implementation of mixed reality. HawkVisum AERO in VR simulators is presenting its latest development, HawkVisum AERO VR. Virtual reality simulator focused mainly on training student pilots at flight training institutions. Our Cessna 172's VR simulator will help institutions train students without any adaptation time and changing the working strategy. Flying HawkVisum AERO VR simulator is representative for flying real aircraft. HawkVisum's research team has optimized the VR simulator technology to provide extensive simulation to create a real training environment in virtual world. Our team have created virtual world by considering inputs of real airports, which include runway measurements, taxiway, ACT commands, climatical conditions and other flight operations. Our virtual world include real-world visuals of multiple terrains which doesn't make end users feel motion sickness. We provide custom simulations on takeoff and landing during rough conditions, engine failures and many more. HawkVisum AERO VR will train students by simulating multiple real-time procedures, like aircraft inspection before takeoff and after landing, filling up the checklists and understanding the requirements of following the checklist, cockpit familiarization on adjusting flaps at different situations, need of circuit breakers, use cases of switches, knobs and how to handle York to keep aircraft in control. High fidelity is critical for effective mixed reality training, for training pilots with mixed reality technology. Engineers at HawkVisum AERO VR created high realism in the field of view, to bring more realistic experiences, as per the assessments. HawkVisum AERO VR will remove negative training, while recreating conditions of the most mission-critical scenarios, which helps end user gain high focus towards the assessment, making end users gain confidence towards the handling aircraft, at multiple rough situations. With the implementation of mixed reality-based HawkVisum AERO VR, it will create more interactive experiences to students as they can directly touch, feel and get response like real aircraft. We analyze students' assessments by considering multiple real-time parameters to evaluate the assessment. Depending on the assessment's results, our skill analysis system will provide recommendations on areas that need to be concentrated more. Speaking about the unique nature of our product, compared with existing physical simulators, our HawkVisum VR simulators are unique in terms of infrastructure, flexibility, custom solutions, simulation assessments, safety, cost saving and skill analysis. Train now, fly virtual and experience digital reality. Reach out to us at www.hawkvisum.com.